welcome back to Pink Dazzling Bunny. Today I'm going to be reading this Frozen 2 book called Spirits of Nature. Now let's get right into the video. There were once 4 spirits of nature. The spirits have not been seen for many years. Elsa's power is growing. She blasts her magic. It wakes the spirits. The trolls tell Elsa the spirits are upset. Elsa must face the spirits. She will go to the enchanted forest. Elsa and Anna go north. Their friends go too. They find the enchanted forest behind a wall of mist. The 4 spirits are wind, fire, water, and earth. The wind spirit is playful and friendly. The fire spirit is small but mighty. The wind spirit swirls around the friends. They fly into the air. The fire spirit runs through the forest. Elsa chases its fire with her ice power. Earth giants are big and powerful. The water spirit is swift like a horse. Earth giants sleep by the river. Anna and Olaf float by. They stay very quiet. The water spirit swims in the dark sea. Elsa meets the water spirit. Elsa faced the spirits. There will be peace throughout the land. The end. Now I'm going to be coloring these frozen pictures. The pictures are velvet just like my nails. It's so soft. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.